Hi, let's go over the design process for planar transformers using Power Integration's Planar Magnetics Designer tool in PI Expert. While users can freely modify their design, there may be some dependencies that require changing other parameters beforehand. For this reason, while using the Magnetics Designer, we'd like to recommend the following design steps. First, specify the stackup and margins. This includes defining the winding and insulation layer stackups, as well as introducing additional margins from the core to the PCB material. Second, apply the desired changes in each winding and winding layer parameters. And third, specify each termination pin's desired positions and dimensions, as well as the PCB's dimensions. To follow along each of these steps in a detailed walkthrough using an example 35-watt automotive design, please watch the next videos in the series. To use our PI Expert software in your next design, please visit power.com.